Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing my most recent Pastel Pixie Kawaii box, and I'm really excited for this box because it's going to be the Fairy K one. So I don't want to delay anymore. Oh, did you see the big hole? My last Pasheen box had a big hole in it just like that too. Alright, so let's see what is in here. I've already seen unboxings, but it was a while ago, so I don't even remember what's in there. But I've had this box for weeks and I haven't had a chance to film, so I haven't opened it for weeks so that I can open it on camera and share it with you all. Fairy K cutie! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, that is adorable! Oh, let's see. Oh, this month's theme is Fairy K. What is Fairy K? Fairy K is a sub-style of J fashion based on retro prints / patterns with soft and pastel colors. Usually consisting of 80s inspired motifs, Fairy K is a timeless fashion with so many cute outfit possibilities. Similar to Decora fashion, Fairy K is more simple, toned down just a bit, but just as kawaii. Their social media is on there. That is so awesome. All right. Ooh, socks. Are these, wow, these are pretty long. Like, are these over the knee or knee high? On me, they're probably thigh high because I'm so short. But let's get this out of the way here. And I'll show you the socks. Oh my goodness. These are adorable. Oh, I didn't have them facing the same way. Here, let's do it like this. Of course, Sunny's fur is like already all over it. Here we go. Yes, those are so cute. I can't wait to wear them. Yay, I love that. Oh, love Fairy K. I'm obsessed with Fairy K. Okay. So here is 2 vinyl stickers, Sweet Eats. These are by Lil Miss Nikki, I guess. I don't know if you can hear Sunny breathing in the background. Alright, so pretty. Okay, what's next? Ooh. A resin pin, I love it. So, Candy Wave Creations, designed by Xenomorphine. That is so cute. I love, love, love that. Okay, here's a Pastel Pixie pin. That is gorgeous. It's like a shooting star with like confetti and oh my gosh, that is so adorable. I love the colors. Oh my goodness. And there's a shirt. It's so funny. I've watched other people's unboxing videos for this, or at least one person, and it was so long ago I totally forgot what was in here. So I totally forgot that there was a shirt in here, and I'm like, oh my god, I can't even believe it. I don't know how I held off on opening this for so long. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Pastel Pixie Sugary Sweet. You see it? Oh my goodness, I love it. It looks like it's long too. I like that. Because if you're wearing like leggings, I like to have something covering my butt. And sometimes it's too hot for a hoodie, so this is perfect. Yes, love that. And what else is in here? Got it. Okay, this is the last item. There's a dust bag, so it looks like it's gonna be a bag. Ooh, cute. There's a heart with some glitter. Oh my goodness. I'm assuming this is faux leather. It feels like faux leather. Oh my God, I have Sonny's fur all over me. All right, so here's what it looks like on the inside. And looks like it's maybe like a, well, I was gonna say a crossbody bag. You can probably wear it over the shoulder or crossbody. But here it is again. I love that. I just wish there was a way to like put stuff inside here, like an Ita bag. But, oh well. It looks like holographic glitter too. I love that. So cute. This is a great box. All right, well, that was fast. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.